Hello, my name is Abel Mendoza. Welcome to my workshop presentation for this week's assignment Unit 2. The data that I am going to use was extracted from this week's lecture. This is the Department of Business, California Intercontinental University. And the course is BUS 426, Quantitative Methods in Business, Chapter 2. As we can see, there's two columns on this data, the foreign employers and the workers employed. On this bar column chart, the y-axis value ranges from 0 to 7,000 for the workers employed. The x-axis categories for each foreign employer. We can also pinpoint the labels or titles. For instance, the chart title on top is the workers employed by foreign investors, and the vertical axis title will be the workers employed, and the horizontal axis title has the foreign employers. Although our previous data showcased the number of workers employed per foreign investor, it did not help to visualize the difference between the 5 different categories listed. However, this vertical bar chart here makes a more vivid presentation of the data. To visualize each category, the blue vertical columns are presented with their own series and numerical label on top of them. We can now have a better feel of the data and see how each category differs from each other. The pie chart, on the other hand, asserts in showing the distribution of the data. In other words, we can see the big difference between Great Britain and Ireland, where Great Britain takes the largest amount of the pie at 69%, while Ireland the least at 1%. There are the area where the pie chart explode can also help us showcase how Germany takes the second place at 15% in the pie distribution. Now we are concluding this presentation. We can understand now that bar charts and pie charts through the help of Excel are an intelligent way of making a visual representation of the data. Again, my name is Abel Mendoza, and thank you for taking the time to hear and view my presentation today.